Welcome to Skincare Blueprint Glow Up from Within. I'm Dr. TWL, board-certified dermatologist and founder of Dr. TWL Dermaceuticals. I'm going to teach you how to master your skincare routine. Today, we're going to learn about my mnemonic, SLAM. It is a technique that maximizes the efficacy of every single step in your skincare routine. The sequence of layering ingredients isn't random, it's actually a science. The sequence serum, lotion, emulsion, moisturizer, and mask works because higher concentrations of active ingredients are delivered in each product when you layer your skincare this way versus an all-in-one formula. The second principle here is that it utilizes the concept of maximizing skin barrier repair. Certain active ingredients such as multimolecular hyaluronic acid are better delivered in serums versus lotions, so you get higher concentrations in each product. Most importantly, the layering process culminates in wet masking. This is the optimal environment for your skin to absorb all the skincare actives. This is because a moist, wet environment increases dermal absorption, which is really the skin's ability to absorb actives. If you enjoy content like this, be sure to follow me so you don't miss out.